Hello student, this video is based on the competency based questions in the CBSE exam. Now, first we discuss which of the following statement is true. About the lines are shown in figure. Electric field in both first and second arise due to a single positive point charge located somewhere on the left. Electric field in both first and second can be created by negative charge. No, the electric field in first is same everywhere. As soon this electric field is same everywhere, but electric field in second becomes stronger as we move from right to left. So the correct option is C, because electric field here is weaker and here electric field is stronger. So in this case electric field is same. So the correct option is C. In the given region, electric potential varies with position as shown this. So V equal to 3 plus 2x square. Potential difference between point 2 and minus 2 is 2 volt. At 2, V1 equal to 3 plus 2 into 2 square. So this is 4 plus 2. 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. And at minus 2 also 11 because this is the square. So the potential difference will be 0. So first option is wrong. Charge 1 coulomb placed at x equal to 2 experience a force of 6 Newton. So first of all we find the value of electric field minus dV upon में dx. So minus differentiate करें अगर हम इसका 4x and at x equal to 2 electric field is minus 8. Now the force will be equal to 1 into 8, that is equal to 8 Newton. So second option is also wrong. Force experienced by the above charge is along positive x-axis. No, because E is negative. Electric field is negative, so it is along the negative x-axis. Electric field in the given region is non-uniform along x-axis. So this option is correct because electric field varies with distance by the formula E equal to minus 4x. So the correct option is D. Now question number third, if parallel plate capacitor is charged to potential difference V, two proton P and Q are placed at the two location inside P and Q. The force on the two proton are identical. Yes, because electric field between the parallel plate remains the same. E is given by sigma upon epsilon naught, that is same at everywhere, and force on proton equal to E into E. So E sigma upon epsilon naught, that is same at everywhere. So force on the two protons are identical. Second option is wrong. Third option also wrong, and the force on both the proton are zero. That is also wrong. So first correct option is A. The capacitance of a capacitor is C naught. It is connected to a battery of voltage V, which is charged the capacitor. The with the capacitor still battery is connected. अभी कैपेसिटर है, अब यहाँ पर बैटरी कनेक्टेड है और एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब इज इंसर्टेड बिटवीन द पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. Which of the following explain the effect of dielectric slab? Electric field between the plate of the capacitor rises. No, electric field remains the same. Potential difference between the plate falls. No, potential difference also remains the same. Total charge on the capacitor increases. Yes, the charge on the capacitor will increase by k times. And ability of the capacitor to store charge decreases. So fourth option also wrong. So correct option is C. Now question number 5. In a given region of electric field, there is no charge present. A closed container is placed in this region of electric field. What is the requirement for the total flux through the closed container to be zero? The field must be uniform. Wrong, because there is no electric field. So there is no such requirement. The total flux through the container is zero no matter what this. So the correct option is D. Now, question number 6. A uniform electric field is given by 5000 volt per meter. And what volume of space will contain that stored energy equal to 10 power minus 6 joule? The energy half epsilon naught E square into V volume. This implies V equal to U upon में half epsilon naught into E square. V equal to the value of U is 10 power minus 6 half the value of epsilon naught 8.8 into 10 power minus 12, the value of E electric field 5000 into 5000. अब आप 8.8 कट करें बाई 4.4, तो ये हो गया 10 पावर माइनस 6 अपॉन, अभी 30 और 306, जीरो जो होगी 10 पावर 6 और 10 पावर माइनस 12, तो 10 पावर माइनस 6 इन डिनोमिनेटर, तो वैल्यू बची आपके 4.4 इंटू 25 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 6, दैट इज कैंसिल। अब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो आंसर 9 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 3 मीटर क्यूब। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी। Now question number 7. Study the graph between electric field intensity E versus distance R. Describe the nature of variation of electric field intensity between R equal to 0 and R equal to A. Now in this region the electric field varies directly. So E directly proportional to R. Right? Outside, the describe the nature of variation of electric field intensity for R equal to A. R greater than A. So in this region, electric field decreases. So the electric field varies or decreases as 1 upon R square. Give an example of body of charge distribution. This is the charge insulated solid sphere. Insulated charge solid sphere is the example of this diagram. Solid sphere. Now, question number 8. The figure below shows an arrangement of 4 charges along with some electric field lines drawn between the charges. Identify the 3 things that are incorrect in this figure. First of all, these electric field lines intersect at point P. So first option is electric field line intersect at P. Second wrong thing is electric field between minus q and 4q are the uniform, but जबकि electric field क्या है आपका non uniform. Third part is electric field lines are not proportional to the amount of charge. Electric field lines are not proportional to the amount of charge. To the charge, because 4q and minus 2q is greater, so electric field lines, number of electric field lines are less, only one line. जबकि 4q और minus q में number of lines are 4, so this is the wrong part. Now draw the correct electric field lines. Draw the correct electric field lines. So this is the charge minus q, this is a 4q, and this is minus q, and ये minus 2q. तो अब यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ लाइंस कितनी शो करोगे आप? अगर हमने सपोज कर देयर आर 2 लाइंस एंड देन 2 लाइन विल बी फ्रॉम 4q to minus q. 4q to minus q. Only we draw 2 lines, and that will start from positive to negative. So the number of lines from 4q to minus 2q will be 4 lines, and these lines will move from positive charge to negative charge. Right? This is the correct way to represent the number of lines. So these are the competency based questions of first chapter. Now of second chapter we will discuss in next video. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.